मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज के वीडियो में हम आपको 10 मैथ के ट्रिक बताएंगे जिससे आप मैथ के कैलकुलेशन में और भी तेज़ हो जाएंगे। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को ताकि आपको हमारी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सके। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला ट्रिक है मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 6। इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 6 बाई एन इवन नंबर द आंसर will end with the same digit. The number in the tens place will be half of the number in the ones place. Let's take example. 6 into 4, that is 24. Trick number 2. The answer is 2. Think a number. Multiply it by 3. Add 6. Divide this number by 3. Subtract the number from step 1 from the answer in step 4. The answer is 2. Third trick, same 3-digit number. Think of any 3-digit number in which each of the digit is the same. Example include 333, 666 or 777 and 999. Add up the digit. Divide the 3-digit number by the answer in step 2. The answer is 37. Trick number 4. 6 digit become 3. Take any 3-digit number and write it twice to make a 6-digit number. Example include 371, 371 or 552, 552. Divide the number by 7. Divide it by 11. Divide it by 13. The order in which you do the division is unimportant and the answer is the 3-digit number. Example 371, 371 gives you 37 or 552, 552 gives you 552. A related trick is to take any 3-digit number, multiply it by 7, 11 and 13. The result will be a 6-digit number that repeat the 3-digit number. Example 456 becomes 456 and 456. Trick number 5. The 11 rule. This is a quick way to multiply 2-digit numbers by 11 in your head. Separate the 2 digit in your mind. Add the 2 digit together. Place the number from step 2 between the 2 digit. If the number from step 2 is greater than 9, put the ones digit in the space and carry the tens digit. Example 72 into 11 equal to 792. 57 into 11 equal to 5 space 7. But 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So put 2 in the space and add the 1 to the 5 to get 625. Trick number 6. Memorizing pi. To remember the first 7 digit of pi, count the number of letter in each word of the sentence. How I wish I could calculate pi. This becomes 3.141592. 7 of 10. Contain the digit 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Select a number from 1 to 6. Multiply the number by 9. Multiply it by 111. Multiply it by 1001. Divide the answer by 7. The number will contain the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Example, the number 6 yield the answer 716285. 8. Multiply large number in your head. To easily multiply two double-digit numbers, use their distance from 100 to simplify the math. First technique, subtract each number from 100. Add this value together. 100 minus this number is the first part of the answer. Multiply the digit from step 1 to get the second part of the answer. 9. Super simple divisibility rules. You have got 210 pieces of pizza and want to know whether or not you can split them evenly within your group. Rather than whip out the calculator, use this simple shortcut to do the math in your head. Divisible by 2 if the last digit is a multiply of 2, 210. Divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Because the digit add up to 9, which is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4, because 40 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 5 is the last digit is 0 or 5. Divisible by 6 if it passes the rules for both 2 and 3. Divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Since 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 9. Divisible by 10 if the numbers end in a 0, 8, 9, 1, 0. Divisible by 12 if the rules for divisibility by 3 and 4 apply. Example, the 210 slices of pizza may be evenly distributed into groups of 2, 3, 6, 10. Trick number 10, finger multiplication table. Everyone knows you can count on your finger. Did you realize you can use them for multiplication? A simple way to do the 9 multiplication table is to place both hands in front of you with fingers and thumbs extended to multiply 9 by a number. Fold down that number finger counting from the left. Example, to multiply 9 by 5, fold down the fifth finger from the left count. Fingers on either side of the fold to get the answer. In this case, the answer is 45. To multiply 9 times 6, fold down the sixth finger giving an answer of 54. तो चलिए दोस्तों, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए।